guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are kind of gonna do a vlog, like a productive vlog. Granted, it's 4:18 right now, but I did a lot this morning. I just didn't vlog it. I don't know, but I pretty much have all of the laundry washed. So now we have to fold it. It's hiding. We're literally like right back behind me. But I had like just a really slow morning. I had some coffee. I drank my vitamins. I made some cinnamon rolls, as you guys saw before the intro. I did go to my chiropractor appointment. That was my first one ever. Sorry. Hopefully you guys could hear me over that. I'm just watching one of Catherine June's Vlogmas vlogs because I just found her and I'm obsessed. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, I went to the chiropractor for the first time today and I was terrified because I hate the sound of like body parts cracking. Like people crack their knuckles around me and I'm like, I'm gonna throw up. So I was a little nervous, but I already feel like really good. They have me on like a 10-week plan, just because I'm a server and an esthetician, so like my arms are always like over someone's face or holding a tray, or this pen won't stop flailing around, or like stacking dishes. So he was saying that I'm like super inflamed up here, which I can totally tell because I'm always in like pain, not like bad pain, but just like, oh my god, my back hurts, oh my god, my back hurts, like all the time. So excuse me. That was really cool. I'm super excited about that. 2021 is all about taking care of myself. You guys should do the same. So, big moves. I have a list in front of me and it's a pretty daunting list, to be honest, because it's got a lot on it. And like I said, it's like 4:20 now. So, okay, on the list, we've got wash floors, wash the dishes, which actually I don't have a whole lot of dishes in my sink right now because last night I kind of like cleaned as I went when I cooked dinner. So good job me, like round of applause. So then I have to clean my car. I at least have to get the crap out of it. I have a really bad habit of taking drinks with me in the car and then I just like don't bring them inside with me when I get home. So I have to bring that crap inside because it's just disgusting. I don't know why I'm like this. I need to clean my bathroom. I cleaned the toilet last week and like wiped it down, but like the whole bathroom needs to be, the whole house needs to be cleaned. Like I'm going to show you guys in a second because this intro is 87 years long. But my house is just like, it looks like, I don't know, it looks like 12 kids live here. It literally looks like I'm a mother of 12 kids. I don't understand. I don't know why I am the way that I am. But we're also going to hang up a new shelf that I got. Well, it's like hooks, actually. I have 2 new shelves to hang up too. But the hooks I'm really excited about. I already patched the walls last night because I had 2 hooks. And then I'm going to insert like a before and an after for you guys when we do it. But I had to patch up where the old hooks were because they just weren't working anymore. So I patched, I painted, and I'm going to put the new ones up. So stay tuned for that because it is the cutest freaking hooks I've ever seen in my life. It's from Michael's. And they are, sorry, my phone's about to die. They are 40% off right now. So I will also link it in the description box. I'm sure they have it online too. So exciting. And then I have 2 shelves from, don't chew on that. You're gonna break it. You don't do it. He's chewing on the cord for the electric blanket. I have 2 shelves from Five Below that I want to put my essential oils on because I have too many and they're just like sporadically throughout my house. So that's really fun. And then I need to edit a video, make the thumbnail for that video. I want to start my seeds. I really need to get my garden going. So I picked up little seed starting thingamajiggies today. So I'm going to do that while it's still light out. We'll probably go do that and clean the car first because I need light for that. I want to wash my floors. I don't know if I said that already. I need to do all of this laundry sitting behind me. And then I need to write articles for the freelance writing that I do on the side. So I just have to do 4. I have 10 a week. I just have to do 4 today, and then I usually do 3 tomorrow and 3 Saturday. So it kind of breaks it up for me, like, mentally, because I just can't write for that long. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling because, okay, 5 minutes in. And let's just go ahead and get to it. Oh, I'm wearing my absolutely obsessed t-shirt from Rachel Ratke's last merch drop. You can't get it anymore because it is limited edition, but shout out because it is so soft and so comfortable. I dried it and it still has like an oversized fit, and I got the small, so prime. Okay, let's go. Okay, you guys, so this is what I'm saying. It's just a disaster in here. I don't understand. Peep the new chair. Thrifted it from some girl on Instagram who does thrifting, and I'm obsessed with it. $45. It's the cutest thing ever. But like, okay, there's all the laundry I have to fold. There's another load in the dryer that I need to add to this, and there's a load of towels in the washing machine to transfer. But like, yeah, I don't know what happened. I feel like I just cleaned this in my last like vlog, like day in the life vlog, like literally a few weeks ago, but I mean, I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna take care of all this crap. Ooh, cinnamon rolls, how pretty. Ooh, look at that lighting. Yes. All right, here we are, and let's just, oh, look how pretty and clean the coffee station is. This is the bathroom scenario. Where's the light? There we go. I have stuff everywhere. Dead eucalyptus. R.I.P. Need to go to Trader Joe's. The bedroom literally doesn't even look that bad. It's kind of dark in here. Okay, yeah. Bedroom doesn't even look like that bad. I just have some snacks to clean up over there because, you know, I love me my snacks in the middle of the night. But I already made the bed today, so, and then I just have some stuff that I don't have a space for, but I'm gonna try and make space for it today. Alrighty, and also RIP to my monstera. She's dead, but she has a few new leaves coming, so I really just need to address the fact that I need to clip the rest of them, okay? OOTD, Rachel Ratke merch, and some can denim, and my slippy slips from, I don't know, like Target or Amazon, I think. Super cute. All right, let's go. All right, you guys, it is dark outside now, if you can't tell. But I have pretty much all of the laundry done. There's that one load left in the dryer, but I'm going to take a break from laundry just because these 2 loads really did me in, but it's all folded except for that little amount over there. That's Reed stuff, so I'm going to get to that in just a second, but I ran out of like space. I'm weird with the way I do laundry, so I need like a lot of space. So I'm going to put all of this stuff away, fold those things, switch over, take the other load out of the dryer at least and leave it here so I don't just let the towels sit in the washing machine because I hate when I do that. I picked up a little bit here and then it doesn't look like it, but I did hang those shelves over there and then that one there. So it did take a little bit of clutter off of the bar area. If you guys noticed, this desk right here is new since my last video. It is from Target. I can link it down below. They just had a 40% off furniture sale. So I got it for 66 bucks and it's so super cute. It's like that whitewash, but like antique-y whitewash. I don't know how to describe it, honestly. I'm not that good at this stuff, but this is the drawer. It's maybe like an inch and a half deep, but we don't have anything in there, so I might put my planner stuff in here, honestly, instead of being in this box, because this box is like kind of starting to look a little rugged, so might do that. I don't know yet, but for now I love the desk and it makes me a lot less anxious having all his like video game stuff out here because it looks a little bit prettier, I guess, because the desk is prettier. I don't know if that makes any sense. But I'm going to go put all of this away, and then I think I'm going to try, ignore the floors because they're on my list, but I'm going to try and do something with these shoes. Like most of these we wear quite often, so I'm thinking, I saw someone do this in, oh boy, I saw someone do this in a, like, organizing video, I think on YouTube. She used the bottom drawer of like a dresser she had in her living room as her shoe storage, and I think I might try it because all of these are like kind of empty, like there's not really a need for them. They're just like random things. Like I have like some of my aesthetic stuff in here, some tissues when we couldn't find toilet paper last year for like a week, and then we found toilet paper so we didn't need the tissues. And then, oh my god, this disaster. I don't even know what this is. I don't want to look at it anymore, actually. But this dresser got warped in one of my moves. This is like the first piece of furniture I ever bought for my apartment, like 7 years ago, 8 years ago, 9 years ago. Oh my god, literally like 9 years ago. That's wild. I think. But I don't know what I was saying. Oh, it got warped during one of my moves, long story short. But I think I'm going to move some of this stuff into that second or this top drawer and then put our shoes here because I'm tired of looking at them, and I don't want one of those like mats or like a stands because I just feel like it's already so cluttered over here that it'll stress me out more. So I'm going to do that as well right now. So let's get to it. Basically all the shoes that we use the most, like the black flats I use for work. My Converse I wear a lot. I also spent $9 for those at Goodwill, so that's fun. My Tory Burch sandals are like my go-to sandals. Those are my go-to sneakers, and those are Raid's go-to sneakers. So the only shoes, these all go in the closet except These I will leave out. These ones here I'll leave out because those are the restaurant shoes, and then his restaurant shoes, he's at work, but his restaurant shoes I'll leave by the door too because they're disgusting and neither pairs of those are going in that dresser. guys, so I think I'm going to end off the vlog here. I got a lot of stuff done that was on my to-do list. The only thing I didn't do was my floors, and I still have to fold the last load of laundry, which I'm gonna do a little speed up of it. But I just wanted to make sure I did my little outro, because I'll probably end off with the laundry. Hello, I'm so tired. It's so early. It's 9:42, but lately between like 8:30 and 9:30, I'm exhausted. If I don't go to bed then, I don't go to bed until like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. It's absurd. I'm not going to bed right now, so I'll be up till 2 o'clock in the morning. But I just wanted to end off the vlog here. It was a lot of housework today, not as much fun stuff, but that's kind of like what being an adult is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little day in my life, cleaning, adulting, productive things. I even did a little bit of extra things that were not on my to-do list. Like I cleaned out my diffusers. There was other things. I can't even think of it. Oh, I washed my masks. You guys always catch me on mask washing days. I did that again, but I figured you guys have seen me do it, so you know how I do it by now. They're just soaking. Yeah, I watered some of my plants that needed to be watered. Yeah, it was a good day. It was a good day. I gathered a little bit of things for Goodwill as well, so that was really good. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you guys like these vlogs. My vlogs seem to do better than my other types of videos, I guess, which is so weird to me, but whatever. If you guys like the vlogs, let me know. I will vlog all the time because I like doing it, so whatever. Not that I do the most exciting things all the time like today, but you get it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy,